Differences between action research and traditional research. Action research versus traditional research. Action research is a research method that aims to simultaneously investigate and solve an issue. In other words, as its name suggests, action research conducts research and takes action at the same time. Whereas traditional research is a means to an end, the conclusion. In other words, traditional research starts with a theory. Statistical analysis is critical and the researcher does not insert herself into the research. The purpose of action research is to make decisions, solve practical problem and improve practice. Whereas the purpose of traditional research is to focus on developing new knowledge in the field and insights may be generalized to other settings. Research question. The research questions of action research is to make decisions. Focus is on the improvement of educational practice and limited generalizability. Whereas the research questions of traditional research are questions driven from other literature. Data analysis methods of action research focus on practical, not statistical significance. Whereas data analysis methods of traditional research are rigorous statistical analysis. Sampling of action research are convenient sample and purposive samples such as students with whom they work. Whereas sampling of traditional research are random or representative is common. Scholars and theorists are involved in action research, whereas education practitioners such as teachers, counselors, administrators, etc. are involved in traditional research. Significance of action research is practical, whereas significance of traditional research is statistical. The context of action research is reactive, derived from surroundings and usually not theoretical in nature, whereas the context of traditional research is derived from theory and focused on crafting strong hypotheses and seeking causal relationships between variables. Action research usually led by practitioners, whereas traditional research usually led by outside expert. Action research focus on the improvement of educational practice and limited generalizability, whereas traditional research focus on developing conclusions and predicting results based on testing theories in a laboratory settings. Action research is conducted by the educationist, teachers and head of the institutions, whereas traditional research is conducted by university professors and scholars. Action research is used in schools and classrooms, whereas traditional research is used in an environment where variables can be controlled. Action research using less control-led procedures to understand the effects of some educational intervention. Changes are made during the study, whereas traditional research using rigorous research design to show a cause-effect relationship. Major attention is given to reducing error and bias. Action research aim is to obtain knowledge that can be applied directly to the local classroom situation and to give the participating teachers in-service training. Whereas traditional research aim is to obtain knowledge that is generalizable and to develop and test educational theories. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.